Hey everyone, so today I'm doing the Smokey, the Night's Quad. um, Someone suggested that I give that other palette another try, and I did, and I'm gonna later put pictures of last week's eyeshadow and this week's and see if it looks any better. Since I am using black, I will use the transition color. At my age, I didn't put any. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll do it now. At my age, black can be pretty harsh, so I do like to use a transition color with black. All right, my brain is everywhere, and I made a mistake and put black, so I'm not doing a smoky eye, so I don't need black. I need silver because the lid color is silver. So I'm just putting, I got this from Avon. It is a silver gel liner, but I use it, it's almost fit. I mean, it hit pan on it. I use it for, when I'm using silver eyeshadow, I should say. I do not know why my camera is blurring. I cleaned everything on this desk. I just rearranged a lot of stuff, and I don't know if that messed up how the camera angle is, because right now the camera looks kind of tilted, and I don't know if that's why it's having trouble focusing. But anyway, back to the look. All right, so let's do that silver. Oh, okay, that's pretty. It's metallic. That's nice. Let's go into the crease color. This would be good for a smoky eye too, especially with the transition color in here. I'm going into that black. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that transition color really helped that black shadow go on smoothly. All right, let's go into this brow color. Just using a really fluffy brush. And that will further smooth out that color. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to use my Anastasia, called a highlighter pencil. I am going to add that to give that, because sometimes I go a little bit high with the crease color. There you go. Just give it that extra oomph as a highlighter. Add that right there. I just use the same brush without putting more product on. I like, this is really coming out nice. I don't know, they've made plenty of these kinds of palettes, but I guess it's the formula. I am really, really liking this formula. I always get black right in there. I like this. This is pretty. So anyway, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So sorry if my camera's a little tilted. I don't know. When I rearranged everything, I'm trying to fix it, but I can't seem to get it perfectly straight. But anyway, so I used the teal hair mascara today. And I used as a blush, you're dragging me down. You're dragging me down. For the highlighter, I use Glo Watchers. And for the lips, I use Shall We Slay, which is the taupe one. So I just use I don't think Wet n Wild sells these anymore. Um, the mink as a liner, and I'm having the same problem with this. Somebody said to use a lip primer, and I don't know. I had that before, and I don't know, for some reason I really didn't like it. And then they also said that you could just put foundation and then set it with powder. I just always thought if you did that, it would kind of mix with the lip color and mess it up. So I don't know. I may have to give that a try. I don't know, but I'm having the same exact issues with this liquid catsuit that I have with the other one. It's going on patchy, and no matter how you have to let it dry and then put another coat, and then it just seems to like make it patchy, like just like last week. Um, so yeah, so that's a bummer. I will try to fix it for the pictures, but that's that.